Hi everyone, and in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Dynasty Warriors Origins demo game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser, just search for the Steam website, then just open it, then just click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Guys, here simply sign into your account, and if you don't have an account, then just create account on Steam, and guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Guys, download the Steam installer and install it onto your PC, and this is also very simple and easy. So once you download and install the Steam, simply open it, then just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is Dynasty Warriors. And guys, once you type this game appear on the top. So just open up this Dynasty Warriors Origins game. So once you open up this game, here just scroll down guys, you will see the option of add to library. As you can see, this game is coming on 17 January 2025. But if you want to play the game demo version, so just click on this option of add to the library, and now the demo will add to your library of Steam. Click on the OK, then just go to the library of Steam, and on the left hand side just find this game, just search for it. And once you find this game, just click on that, then just click on this install, and that's how you can download and install this game. If you find this really helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.